Hello guys, welcome back to this minute new tutorial video. Inside this video we are gonna try to fix this Bluetooth hoparlor. As you can see, there are some buttons in here, but when I press this button, as you can see, there is no light and there is no action inside this hoparlor. And when I try to do like that, as you can see, there are some voice coming up inside. Okay, let's get started. And yeah, as you can see, when we open it, the inside, we can see our PCB in here, and there is two cable, and right now I don't know which one is minus, which one is plus, because the color is same, two of them, both of them white. And in here, this is the parts when I do like that, and came voice. There's a hoparlor, and as you can see, there is some connection in here. Okay, let's continue. And yes, as you can see, I added using my lehim machine right here, and with the connection with PCB with these two cable. And right now we are going to connect with this hoparlor also. Yeah, let's continue. And yes, after the connected process, as you can see, it is finished. And just I will close that panel, and also I will put some glue bottom side of our hoparlor. Yeah, that's it actually. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.